I mean, they're just great. Customer service, it's outstanding.
I feel like they're just honest and truthful.
Our biggest store is our Parker store here in Parker, Colorado.
Going through with the loss of our brother that ran this store, and Leland coming in, he's like another brother to us.
And has turned it into just a gold mine when it comes to customer service and the overall ethics that we consider paramount with Pride Auto Care.
I think that the mechanics and also the front desk people, the management and owners at Pride are very honest. They have great integrity, and they've demonstrated that to me through the years.
We are very proud of our image, and one of the things that we build our stores around, as you can see here, is to have room for customers to relax. If they need Wi-Fi, it's here. Hot, fresh coffee, bottled water.
But it's also got a great location with Target and some restaurants close by, so if I do have to wait a few minutes for an oil change or any kind of maintenance, I can do that while I grab lunch or run some errands.
They're very sweet and they're very caring, and they definitely take the time to explain everything to you and why they're doing this and why they're doing that. So yeah, it's very homey and very just welcoming.
My car wouldn't go anywhere else. These people are phenomenal.